According to the video title, we will recommend the 3 best trash cleaning applications for Android. What are the applications? Let's start the discussion. One Booster. One Booster is the best application to improve smartphone performance. One of the best features that this app provides is cleaning junk files. By using the Clean Up Junk File feature, the trash files on your smartphone will be cleaned, so your smartphone's performance will be faster. Usually this trash file can reduce smartphone performance to slow down. So, using this application will increase the performance of your smartphone to be faster. CCleaner. CCleaner is the world's best junk file cleaning application. This application will clean up your smartphone's trash files, which slows down smartphone performance. This application will also optimize and clean up junk quickly and safely, such as application cache, download folder, browser history, and so on. Using this application will free up your smartphone's storage space, so that your smartphone's performance will be even better. Nox Cleaner. Nox Cleaner is an application to speed up smartphone performance to make it even better. One of the best features in this app is cleaning the trash. The trash cleaning feature will make the way your smartphone works more optimally and quickly, because this garbage cleaning feature will make room for more open storage. This application can also be used to speed up your smartphone RAM so that it works faster than before. Those are the 3 recommended trash cleaning applications from us. If you have other application recommendations, leave a comment. If there is a chance, we will discuss it in the next video.